You couldn't clear your ADC part 2 in the first attempt, and you were very depressed. You were about to give up, So what was going through your mind?
Yes, so when I got my result after my first attempt, it was pretty devastating for me. And I was totally lost because I was thinking in my head that I did all the coaching, I did the training, I was practicing a lot before the exam. But then what went wrong? How come I couldn't clear the exam?
Right, and you didn't even talk to me for one full day, I think. Yeah. So,
Yes.
but what changed after that?
So it was going in my head, I wanted answers of all these questions. What went wrong with me? Why I couldn't clear it? So and then I was getting all these notifications and, knowing that most of the candidates who did coaching with me, who did the same training, were able to clear the exam, but I
Right.
couldn't. Okay. So it was going in my head. Then I thought of, okay, maybe I can talk to them, and I could search for my answers. And that's when I talked to one of my colleagues, Chandni, and that's when I realized that my approach was totally wrong. Though I learned the technical task from the coaching,
Right.
which I did, but then I didn't know how to self-assess myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're saying that people sometimes do the same coaching and they would do the same trainings and all of those notes that are out there. But if the approach is incorrect, the results could be different.
Absolutely.
Right.
That happens.
Right.
And I have seen it with many candidates, not just the technical task, even if you talk of the communication OSCEs or the skilled OSCEs, that happens because you have to discover the right approach. An approach that will make you clear the exam.
Right.
Okay? You should know how to assess your tasks. Okay, even like when I cleared the OSCE, communication OSCEs and the skill in my first attempt, what I did was in my second attempt, I worked with my two close friends,
Right.
Kiran and Manjot, and then we found out that there is an appropriate approach or technique.
Right.
Okay, in order to clear those stations.
Yeah, you were on Zoom all the time with those girls, yeah?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So you're saying that even though you all had all the notes and everything,
Yeah.
you still had to discover your own technique,
Absolutely.
right? And work on it?
Yes, absolutely. And you have to practice a lot.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, and is it for only communication OSCE or is it for same for skilled as well?
No, it works for everything. Your technical task, your communication OSCEs, your skilled OSCEs. You should have the right approach first.
Okay.
And you can discover your own approach.
Okay, all right. So now you have started spreading awareness about OSCE's communication. You've created a group and you're doing live sessions.
Yeah.
Why is that?
See, I have realized that me and my friends have discovered a proper method or approach that a person should follow in this kind of exam.
Right.
Okay, it worked for me, it worked for my friends, and we are trying to spread it
Right.
to as many ADC aspirants or candidates as much as possible so that we can help them
Right.
to get a clear picture of how you can crack this exam.
Okay, and which friend are we talking about?
So we are talking about Dr. Kiran Kaur, who has already cleared the ADC exam. With the ADC, they are continuously changing their pattern or what they require from you.
Right.
So we have been there, I would say, and we have find out all those little things and tricks
Yeah.
that I think would be very helpful for all the candidates.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.